Hi guys, Graham Hunt here, and in this video I want to show you free affiliate funnels by Kevin Fahey. Get unprecedented access to actual high performing sales funnels that they've used and that they're still using to generate $563,000 in revenue, and leverage them to build your own email list and skyrocket your affiliate marketing business. They will even help you with follow-ups, upselling, and making sure you're generating the most out of your money from your traffic that is possible. You're about to discover the secret as to why 90% of marketers fail, which is I'm one of them. And then now I'm going to start building profitable sales funnels with the help of this. This is what I paid, $22. Absolutely brilliant. There's proof of my purchase. When you've purchased this and you access your purchase through that link there, you'll end up here. You have to register with your username, your first name, last name, your best email address, choose a password, or you can use the generated password robot and it will do it for you. I've generated my one myself so I can remember it. I'm an existing, as you can see, I've got an existing account, and so when I log in, I'm not going to do it, I'm showing you what happens. So you log in and then you end up on the welcome page, and then Kevin talks through where you go from.
Here, and first of all, a massive thank you for purchasing and investing in free affiliate funnels. So in this welcome video, I'm going to give you an overview of the members area. I'm going to explain what free affiliate funnels are about. I'm going to show you the options that you have. I'm going to show you the steps that you can take, and pretty much everything else.
So you can click next the video, and he talks about all the bloody good things that you can do to make your business an absolute success. When you've watched all them videos, the next thing to do is to get what you signed up for, what you paid for. And so what I mean by that is these are the training modules that you can either, on the upsells, you can get access to whatever you want. I've got access through what I wanted to do because I didn't want to go into it. I just want step-by-step instructions. So I've purchased for two that you get for that $22. But the best thing that I've found is that they've included done for you bonus pages and bonus products, so I can use these to help build my affiliate marketing list in respect of the niche that I'm in e-marketing. I just thrive on it. So I'm learning everything I can about internet marketing affiliate funnels, and then I'm going to learn everything I can about internet marketing product launching. I am interested in writing and creating my own products, and I believe there's other resources out there where you can buy products that have been created, but I need to get my business up and running first, and then I'll be able to purchase them and make them my own. That's the beauty of this business. I got that information off of John Armstrong, and that's how he runs his business now. Bloody brilliant. So this is the courses. Look, 3 modules in this particular learning course here, 18 lessons, 15 templates, and along with additional affiliate marketing training videos. They've also included done for you bonus pages and bonus products to use in your promotions, and the best affiliate marketing training you'll ever find. This is why I like this, and I'll tell you what it is. I've given it 5 stars, so it's up to yourself once you're in there. And there's the bonuses. So if you're interested, click the link below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks guys, and take care.